What's up everyone, my name is Rhea and welcome back to my channel.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna go under. 3, 2, 1.
Today I'm shooting an apartment tour. I'm going to be showing you guys where I've been staying for the past month here in Bangkok, and this place is so cute. I'm going to first show you the entrance and the lobby, and then we're going to go upstairs and I'll show you guys the apartment. Okay, so when you first enter the building, come through here. So we have a welcome mat here, and this is what it looks like when you first enter in the building. This is the office. They have food here, they have supplies, even suitcases. And this is the pool. This is the first pool. There's a second pool, and I'll definitely show you guys that. But yeah, this is what the pool looks like. So I'll go ahead and do a quick glimpse of the eating area. I don't want to show people eating their food, but yeah. I'll show you guys the parking lot. Here's the parking lot. They have a bunch of exits. You can go out that way, and you can come out this way. There's a little cooking area there. I'll show you guys quickly. Here's a little cooking area. Sink. And the second pool is over there, but I'll show you that a little bit later. So now we're gonna go upstairs to the actual apartment, and I'm gonna show you guys our room. So this is the outside when you get to our floor. This is the view here. And there's another condo beside us that's a lot bigger. But yeah, and there's a view of the BTS, the SkyTrain, and that takes us into the heart of the city. And you can iron your clothes. There's a little seating area here. But now I will take you to my room. So now we're gonna enter in the room. This is really high tech. You can ring the doorbell. Well, you can't now because there's no, this key is used for the power, so you can't ring the doorbell right now. That's how we get in. And right when you come in, there is a slot for you to put the key card in, and this turns the power on. Now I'll show you guys the doorbell. So yeah, it's really loud. So, all right. So when you first come into the room, you can see we have our shoes here. My boyfriend has his guitar right there. And it's a really small room. It's a really budget room. We didn't pay a lot of money for it. We kind of found it last minute. So yeah, that was that. So when you first come in, we have the desk here. Here's our work stuff. We have both of our laptops. He has some of his music stuff. Now here we have the balcony. So this is one of my favorite parts of the room because we can always come out here and catch some air, some breeze. We have a nice view out here, and yeah, you can see the view of the city. So we keep our clothes here because we don't have a drawer that's big enough to kind of fit our clothes in, and we just want to have easy access to them. I showed you guys the food downstairs. So these are pack of noodles that I brought up. These candies were from my mukbang video. We have some green tea that we keep inside because there's a kettle right here. Yeah, so there's a phone, a nice TV right here. You can see me. And we also have a little mini fridge. There's nothing in our mini fridge other than this this soy melon milk that I drank in the mukbang video. I should probably get rid of that because that wasn't good. And we have a little ice in there as well. So yeah, so it's a pretty cute space. Our workstation, our little mini fridge. our suitcases, and here we have our end table. So we have like a bunch of stuff kind of hidden in there, a little bit of clothes and camera in there. This is our bed. It's a pretty decent sized bed. It's actually a pretty big bed. It's nice. We did some shopping. You guys saw, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw I put this on my Instagram story. I bought this the other day at Cal Santa Road, and I cannot wait to wear this. It is so cute. I also bought this little purse. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I bought this. And yeah, just clothes, whatever, bags, more bags. Last but not least, I'm gonna show you guys the washroom. The washroom is not really anything spectacular. We have all of our products in here, all of my hair products, everything, toiletries, hygiene. This apartment came with 2 toothbrushes. They're the same color, so I'm not sure how we would differentiate once we do use them. But yeah, so I'm gonna open it up and let you guys get a wide perspective of the washroom. It actually is a pretty decent sized washroom, especially based on how small the actual apartment is. It has these nice windows, so natural lighting comes in. And if you're not familiar with Asia or places where they have this heater, this heats up the water. So you turn it on, turn it up, and then the water warms up based off of this little machine here. So that's pretty cool. And our shower is cool. And we have our towels here at the back. There's a nice bar there to hang our towels. Like I said, pretty decent size for how small the apartment is. And we just have this lifted up because when it's not lifted up, it gets kind of overflows with water. So yeah, we have that lifted up, kind of tilted. And then we have, last but not least, again, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw the first night I got here, I showed this on my Instagram and I did a little poll and I was like, do you know what this is? Yes or no? Surprisingly, a lot of people did know what it was, but a few people didn't know what it was. And that is a butt spray. I'm not really sure the formal name of it. I searched it up. Some people call it a bum gun. Some people call it a toilet spray, but that is that. So, you know what that does. Anyways, it's a bidet. And yeah, so that's the washroom. This is the washroom. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for the day. I'm gonna go for a swim. I'm gonna take you guys with me to show you the final pool, and then I'm gonna hop in the pool and cool off for a bit because this city is constantly hot. But yeah, I know it was a pretty short kind of room tour. The apartment is not really that big. It's not really an apartment tour, it's more of a room tour because the room is not really that big. But yeah, that's our space. This is where we've been living for the past month. And now for the question that I know everyone has been waiting for, how much did this place cost? Well, first, guess in the comments below, how much do you think we paid for this place? This is just outside of Bangkok. It's about a 20-30 minute drive from the heart of the city. We have bedroom, washroom, little balcony. This place costed $400 a month. $400 Canadian a month is what we've paid for this place. It was an amazing steal. Again, we did kind of find it last minute because we were booking it like only about a month before we got here, so there weren't a lot of places left over, especially because of the time of year and the season. So no, it's not in the heart of the city, unfortunately, but it is a pretty good steal. $400 a month for this place. It's awesome. And we get free breakfast, and there's 2 pools, and I really love this place. So yeah, $400 a month is what we paid for this cute little place. So let me know in the comments if you think this is too expensive or if you think it's super cheap. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know if you thought that it was going to be more expensive or cheaper. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Now we're going to go down to the pool. I'm going to show you guys the second pool, and I'm going to hop in for a swim. Okay, so I have my swimsuit on and I'm ready to go down to the pool. To the pool we go. I've said that like 1,000 times, but that's what we're doing. This is the shrine I took a picture in front of like the second day we got here. here we are at the pool. So this is the second pool, and there's literally never anyone here. We always swim alone, which is cool. Hello everyone. So this is the second pool. I love this pool. I like it a lot better than the other one because it's more private and there's usually no one ever here. Since we've been here almost a month now, haven't seen anyone swimming in this pool. So we have it all to ourselves and I love it. This is the end of the apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell me what you think. Again, did you think that the apartment was going to be more expensive or cheaper? Let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn post notifications on. And let me know if you enjoyed this video.